Hi, today's snack is about energy transformation. My daughter Andrea is going to tell you about how energy comes from the sun, how it's captured by the plants, how we eat it and use it, how cars use it, even how it goes into making electricity. It's important for us to realize that energy cannot be created or destroyed, it can only be transformed. Thank you.
My name is Andrea and we're going to be talking about energy transformations. Now, where does energy come from? Most of energy from the earth comes from the sun. Now, the sun's a big bulb made up of helium and hydrogen. Now, the hydrogen atoms, they collide from a lot of pressure and the really high temperatures, and whenever they collide, it forms helium, and this collision forms energy, which we see as sunlight. Now, how is energy captured? Plants capture energy by photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is when it takes carbon dioxide and water in sunlight and forms the glucose and oxygen. Now, leaves have a pigment, or plants have a pigment called chlorophyll, and chlorophyll makes any plants green. And it can only take, mostly takes two wavelengths, which is the blue and the red, because sunlight is white light. It has all the colors in the rainbow. This one primarily takes those two colors. Now, how do we get energy? We get energy by eating. So either we eat fruits or we eat plants. And whenever we eat it, we eat the glucose inside of it, like these grapes or raisins. And whenever we eat that glucose, it goes through our digestive system and it goes to our red blood cells in our bloodstream. Now, as well as when we breathe in oxygen. And whenever those also go in our red bloodstream, and it goes through every single cell in our body. And this is called cellular respiration, where we take in glucose and oxygen when we breathe in, and then we exhale carbon dioxide and water. And from this glucose, we get energy, which is called ATP, which allows us to dance, walk, and move. So how do cars, ships, and planes get this energy? Well, they get this energy from when plants or other organic matter dies, and after millions of years, it gets buried into the Earth's crust. And from the pressure and the temperature, it creates fossil fuels, which is either coal, crude oil, or natural gas. Coal can be used as electricity, but we're going to be talking about crude oil. So crude oil gets sent to a refinery where different parts can be separated into usable petroleum products, such as gasoline. And in combustion, there's gasoline, oxygen, which then, when it releases from the car, it turns to carbon dioxide and water, and as well as energy, which gives the car the movement to be able to move.